Hello everybody. In today's video I will be showing you how to change the type of an account from standard user to administrator. This helps a lot because the account you changed from standard user to administrator can help make changes to your computer or even recover your lost password from a particular account. Without wasting more time, let's get started. Click on the Windows icon to pop out a search box. In the search you are going to type in the word Control Panel and press Enter. Locate where it's written Add or Remove User Account and click on it. Next you are going to choose the account for which you want to change its type and you are going to click on it. Search where it's written Change the account type. On the new interface you are seeing you are going to select on the option which says Administrator. Having done this you are going to click on the Change Account Type. As you are seeing, the account you selected should be an administrator. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.